Hello, good morning. I am Aarti Jagdale from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, working as a assistant professor. Here we will study some interesting statement, that is the switch case. The switch statement we used in a C to alternate to if and else ladder statement, which allows to execute the multiple operation for the different possible condition by using a one single variable called as a switch. Here we can define the various statements in the multiple cases for the different values in a single variable. Now the syntax for the switch is switch in a bracket expression, then opening curly bracket, the case value 1, the code to be executed, and the break statement, that is optional. Then case 2, case value 2, code to be executed, break, and then the default statement, the code to be executed for if all the cases are not matched. Rules for the switch statements in a C language. The switch expression must be an integer or character type. Second, the case value must be an integer or character constant. Third one, the case value can be used only inside the switch statement. The break statement in a switch case is not must, but it is an optional. If there is no break statement found in the case, all the cases will be executed present after the match the case. It also known as a fall through the state of switch case statement. Here we can study the program to create a simple calculator. Here we can use the character operation for switch case, double n1 comma n2. Now we have to print the operators plus, minus, star and slash. Here for operations we can use here the percentage c. Here we can use two operands, that is n1 and n2. Now we can use here the switch case. Here we can print percent if plus percent if equal to percent if comma n1 comma n2 comma n1 plus n2 is our result. Here we will create different operation in a different case condition. So operator, if the operator does not match with any constant plus, minus, slash or star, we can default be use the printf statement, the error, the operator is not correct, and we have to give return to 0, because we are use here the int main, not void main. So we can use the switch statement in a multiple program. Break and continue statement we are used. Thank you.